Another quick lesson about text wrap. So basically, if you have a font size in a cell that's really, really big, it resizes the box for you. But I'm just going to delete these. Spills over to the next cell, even though these are individual cells. If I type anything here, you can't see this word. So some options that we have are to make it smaller, or just go up here to wrap text that's under the alignment right above the margin center. So what it did is actually make it vertical, but it just is there to ensure that you can fit all your text automatically, right? So let's put the entire sentence. The quick fox jumped over the lazy dog. Very unsightly. Let's make this into a font size that is more realistic looking. So here we go. If we widen the cell, it auto adjusts to accommodate the sentence. Now without this, you see what happens. Spills over. So that's just helpful in order to format in a certain way if you have text that spills over. Another quick lesson is if I'm in here and I want to have a sentence break at this point, if I hold down Alt and hit Enter, let's do it again, Alt, Enter, you've done a line break within the cell. So when I try to make it wide, it acknowledges that I made these line breaks. So that's wrap text. You can apply or unapply using that button.